Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do these super easy Captain Marvel inspired nails. I'm really excited to see this movie, and I thought it'd be fun to do a nail design inspired by her outfit. So I'm starting by applying a base coat to all my nails, and then I'm painting my nails with a red nail polish. Then I'm just applying a layer of top coat because I'm going to be using nail vinyls and I want my base to be completely dry. Now to create the blue part of her outfit, I'm taking a single chevron vinyl and placing it a little bit lower than the middle of my nail. Then I'm taking this blue nail polish and painting right over the vinyl, and I'm going to be peeling off the vinyl before the nail polish is dry. And I would definitely recommend adding a layer of top coat after this step as well because I'm going to be using nail vinyls again over this, so you want to make sure that that base is completely dry. Now I'm taking the same style of nail vinyls I used before and lining the bottom one up with the blue and then adding another one a little bit above that section. I'm taking two large ones and then one thin one in the middle, so I'll end up with two thin lines. Then I'm painting over all of those nail vinyls with a metallic gold nail polish. And again, before the nail polish is dry, I'm using tweezers to peel off those vinyls slowly to get the cleanest lines. Finally, I'm applying a layer of top coat to all my nails. And that's the finished design. I really hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you're excited to see Captain Marvel or if you've already seen it and what you think. Also, if you want to read more about this, you can click here to check it out on my blog or click the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.